Okay, Ethan, here's how we go about doing this. First thing we want to do is synthetic division. I'm going to take negative 5/2 from this factor they tell us that works. Right? We know that 2x plus 5 is a factor. So this what makes it equal 0 is going to be negative 5/2. List out the coefficients. Look like that's what you did. Let's see, the first number drops, that's 2. We multiply, we get negative 5. We add, we get 8. We times, I get negative 20. I add, I get 6. I times, I get negative 15. And we get remainder of 0. So now I have this 2x squared plus 8x plus 6. And I'm going to try to use that to find out my other two dimensions, my width and my depth. All right, so let's see. I'm just double checking what they told us. Right, they told us that 2x plus 5 is the length. Okay, so we know this 2x plus 5 is the length. So these other two have to equal my width times the depth. Right, because volume is length times width times depth. Okay, so I'm going to try factoring that. Let's see, a GCF of 2, I can take a 2 out, which leaves me with x squared plus 4x plus 3. And then I just ask myself, what do I times to get 3 that's going to add up to 4? Let's see, that's 3 and 1. Let's see, so then I've got an x plus 3 and an x plus 1. All right, so these are my dimensions for my width and my depth. And it says that the width is 2 feet more than the depth, right? So I'm going to say this x plus 3 is a couple more than the x plus 1. So my width will be the x plus 3. And my depth would be the x plus 1. So I've got length, which they gave me, length, width, and depth. And the question says, what is an expression that represents the depth of the pool? So the answer they're looking for, I guess, is that x plus 1 to represent the depth. I hope that was helpful. That was Module 7, problem-based task, factoring long division, synthetic division.